Hello everyone, welcome back to our Laravel tutorial series. In our previous session, we have added image uploads and improved the visual appearance of our application. At this point, the app looks good and feels modern, but there is still a problem. If you have many posts, users will struggle to find what they need. So now we improve usability and performance by adding search and pagination. So far, we have been working with a small amount of data, but real application handles hundreds or thousands of records. So if we load everything at once, the app becomes slow, the UI becomes cluttered, and the user experience becomes poor. So we solve this using search to find data and pagination to limit data per page. So in our discussion, we are going to limit number of posts into 6 per page. So in one page, we will have 6 uh, posts only. So we are going to add search and pagination in our today's discussion. Search means a full text search across posts and content. Using Laravel Scouts, user can quickly find a relevant article with intelligent matching algorithms. When we say pagination, efficient data loading with automatic page management, so load only what user needs, improving performance and user experience dramatically. So now let's do this at uh, code level. We are going to implement this at code level. So first of all, let's update our index blade. Let's clear this. Let's go to index method. We are going to update our index method. So when we say an index method, it's a post controller PHP. So let's go to post controller dot PHP, not the index blade one, but the index function inside our controller. So inside our controller, we have the function index the top. See our public function index post latest get and return view post index compact posts. Now we need to add search functionality here. So now let's start by public function index. Let's add request request dollar request, and let's say search. Let's put it here. Let's remove this and search request. Well, initially we have added public function index requests. This means it allows us to access user input from this from URLs. So search query comes through the request. Let's say search request input search. This retrieves the search value entered by the user. Search request input search is used to retrieve search value entered by the user. Next is post. Let's say post app, post app, post app models, post query. Here we are preparing the query. We'll start building a database query. We don't execute it yet. We just prepare it. So post app models, post query, query. So when query, this conditionally applies filtering search, when search function, search function, search function, query, 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 search. So this conditionally applies filtering when we say if search exists, apply filter, and then if not, skip filter. So this keeps the code clean. So now let's say query where titles like so. Next we search inside the title column like allows partially. So let's say query where title, where title like, see, like allows partial matching, like search. This sign percent search percent, this means match anything that contains the search term. Same as asterisk, so that means matching anything that contain a search term. Next, or where. When we say all where, we need to cite or where. We need to check inside the content. So we are checking everywhere. Or where contents. When we search for title and contents. So or where, we'll say or where contents, or where content, or where content. So that means also search inside content. Search person. So next we say latest. That means the newest first. When we say latest, it sorts post by newest first. Actually, pagination is a very simple concept. We can kill it here under search. So let's say latest, let's say latest, latest. Latest. And also we can limit pagination here. Search result will be 6. Let's make it 6. Paginate, simple word, paginate into 6. Let's say 5 or 6. Let's make it 6. 6 is better. 6 is better. This limits result to 5 per page because this improves performance. When we say 6, it limits result per page into 6. Then when we say compact post sends data to the view, now the view has post and search value. Let's say it's uh, return view post index compact post. Let's add search here, search, because it allows sends data to the view. So now we are done with what we call is an index, our index page. So we have updated our index function so that they can function well for search and pagination. So these functions allow us to search and paginate it normally. So our next task will be updating our index .php. So we are going to update our index.php. It should contain the term what we call is that method post and action multi-part form data. If the file upload will fail silently, allows to tell something. So inst type should be there. So now we have form method get action style margin and display this. So type text name search value request search placeable hold search post. So inside our index.plate.php we have added a search method here. You can see that a for method gets action, style margin. So input text, name, search, value, request, placeholder, search post, and class input. So now we have updated our search methods. You can see it from here. This is our index.blade.php. We have updated our index so that the search functionality will work properly. Next, we will fix pagination style in what we call is that we have app service provider.php. We are going to change the boot inside a public function boot. Our next task will be going to app service provider.php. Now let's go there. Now let's go to app service provider.php. We have a public function register void and a public function boot void. So let's add one function there. Use eliminate paginator. We need to include this pagination and paginator. So inside the boot function, we will change something. Let's go down. We have a get policy post class and post policy class. Let's update this. Let's say let's add some eliminate support and facades here. So let's say eliminate supports facades and get. So get policy. Let's say facades get policy. And then let's check app model post class. Inside the class, let's make app model post class. So the last one will be app policies and post policy class, and the first one will be app models post class. So paginator. And second, let's add paginator use bootstrap. Paginator use bootstrap. But we forget the app policy, so let's make the first one like app models post. Yeah, now we have updated our app service provider. This keeps the search value in pagination, so it's already handled automatically via request search. So Laravel default pagination is, since it looks ugly, we need to fix it using this. So it's done. Now let's optimize and clear our cache. So we have cleared it. Let's Control C. Let's PHP artisan serve. Let's clear it. And PHP artisan serve is running. Now let's go to our site. Now search bar will be happened here. Yeah, so search happened here. So we can search using any content, any title. We can search and get our result. Let's search something like encryption. Let's copy this. Uh, okay, let's copy this encryption, and after that, so we apply search method. Let's copy encryption, search it. See, we got a one result which contain encryption. If there is a various results that contain encryption, it will generate or it will automatically gives us maximum of maximum of six blogs per page. Now let's search for John. No need to log in or register to search. See, we have we have three John blogs, so it returns all the three John's requests. Let's search for Tom. Same like John one. Tom also has three blog posts, so it will automatically roll back those three blogs. See, zero trust architecture. When we search by title, we get exactly our post. Let's return back to home. So our search functionality works properly. Our blog post look like this. So Laravel automatically generates pagination control, so no manual logic is needed. So Laravel handles page number, navigation, and data slicing, so this saves development time. So Laravel automatically keeps query parameters. So when you search and move pages, search stays active. This creates a seamless experience. So we have already checked it. Now our application supports search, uses pagination, handles large data efficiently, and feels fast and responsive. So this is how real applications scale. So now our app feels like medium dev to a modern SaaS product. So it's not longer just functional, it's usable and visual. Now we are going to take the final step. The next session, we are going to deploy this application and make it live. So this is where everything comes together. So this is how our application scales. This is all about today's discussion. In our next session, we will deploy our application and make it live. Since today we have improved performance with search and pagination, since our application is complete as authentication, authorization, CRUD, image, and a clean user experience. So we are running it locally. So the next step will be taking to the final step. So for today, this is enough. And tomorrow or on the next session, we will continue about deploying and we will deploy it live. So thank you very much for today's session. See you then. Bye bye.